Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to give a tutorial on how I designed my YouTube banner. You first of all go to your canvas. If you don't have the app, you download it from Play Store or App Store. Then when you go to your canvas, you search for YouTube banner. YouTube banner. You see that arrow there? You search for YouTube banner, so different templates will pop up. You will see different YouTube banner templates. So this is a YouTube template I chose, the first one where that yellow arrow is. So I will use that template to design my YouTube banner. So let that load. It's loading. Yes, so this is how it is. You put it on the new design templates on canvas. Then you see that picture over there. I would change it to my picture. So I would go to replace. When I click on replace, it takes me to my gallery. Then I choose my picture from my gallery and then it shows there. I will proceed to changing the name to my YouTube name. Or before that, where that yellow arrow is, I will change the frame. I want my picture to be there. You can put any other design there, but I want my own picture to be there. So I would go to replace. Then it will take me to my gallery and I'll pick whatever I want to put there. So for me, I am picking my picture. So I put my picture is now at the background, as you can see. After that, I am going to change the name, Noah Shom Macha. I will change it to my YouTube name. And the name of my channel is Peace Diaries. So I am going to edit it to Peace Diaries. So after typing Peace Diaries, if I want to put any other thing, I'm going to put, but for this illustration, I'm not going to put any other thing. I would have put the name of my channel is, as in what my channel is all about, faith, lifestyle, personal development. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to delete what is there so that only Peace Diaries will stand out and the subscribe logo will be there. After that, you upload, or rather you download. When you download, it will download. You see that arrow there, you click on it, then it's going to download. Now you're going to download. You click on download. You are going to download on PNG so that it can save as picture in your phone, on your phone gallery. After it has saved on your phone gallery, you then proceed to your YouTube studio. You can see that it is downloading. It is downloading right now. It has downloaded finished. So I'm going to my gallery and this is how the banner looks like. You can see Peace Diaries, subscribe. You can see my picture there. Then I go to my web, to Chrome. I make use of Chrome. You go to Chrome, you type youtube.dashboard. Then it will pop out. You click on sign in. When you sign in, it will take you to your studio. It will take you to your studio. Then after it has taken you to your studio, this is the template or the interface you are going to see. If you have a laptop, it will be very clear. So I'm zooming in so that you can see very well. Then I click on customization. After I click on customization, because I have done my YouTube banner before and I want to change it, I would go to change. After I have uploaded the new banner, because it will take me to my gallery, I will choose the image I want to upload. So I will click on the new image I have created. After I click on it, it is going to upload. As you can see, the new logo. This is the new logo that I created. So it's going to upload. You can see how beautiful this logo is. Very unique. I love the purple color. I love the color combination. So after it has uploaded, you can see that it has changed. You can see how it looks like on the laptop, on the phone, on television. Don't forget to save. If you do not save, whatever you do will just go. So you click on that publish. When you click on the publish, then you have been able to save the work you've done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Thank you.